everyone, Cheryl here with TLC Designs, and today I'm sharing with you my Turtlicious birthday card, and my tutorial is going to be on using the stencil Happy Bloom Day and Clouds for the backing right here. I don't know if you could see that too well, but I did use stickles. You can use any color. So let's go ahead and get started. I just kind of wanted to show you that I used the Darling Turtlicious stamp set, and I absolutely love this set, and it's super fun to color. And then I used Something Bloomed design paper pack, and this is the Loving Petals square. We're going to use the inner square right there, and I've already got that pre-cut. And then we're using the stencil, the Happy Bloom Day and Clouds. So let's go ahead and get started. I'll move all that out of the way. The first thing you want to do is grab your supplies. So I used some tape, some stickles in a jar. If you don't have that, you can use it out of your squeeze bottle. And so we'll use that, an old paintbrush, and a little spatula. And then I'm going to use the ink pad and a Judikins duster. On my card, I airbrushed, but I understand a lot of people don't have airbrushing. So I'll just show you doing the dusting way of this. And let me grab the die. I should have probably kept that out. So you're going to put some tape on the back to hold it down in place. So let's do that. And then you can kind of set this there. So I'll hold it down. Take my little duster. Now, if you don't want to do this, you don't have to. You can just do the next step. But I'm just going to show you really quickly doing the dusting. So if you don't have a duster, you can use one of the little dabber things. And so that just kind of gives it the little frame. Okay, so we'll put these aside. And the next step is going to be to take your stencil. And what I like to do is kind of find what portion of this I want to dust, to do the dusting, or if you're going to be painting or whatnot. And then I like to just tape this down on all four sides. Okay, so super easy. Let me see if I can zoom in a bit. Okay, so you've got that there. And then I'm using this little jar of stickles, and it's a little, so you'll just kind of grab some to put on there and then brush it around. And I'm just gonna brush in. This is an old brush. I just thought this was really fun to do. A lot of times we use ink. I thought, how fun would it be to use the stickles? I do love glitter, so you could do this with paint or whatever you choose. So I just want the flowers. And of course, we'll have to let this set aside, but to dry. I think I got it all, hopefully. Okay. Oops. Here we go. So I think you can kind of see. And now I'll go ahead and remove the stencil. Sorry. It's been a long time since I've really done any tutorials. And they're fun to do, so let's go ahead and pull that up. Super cute. And then there you have it. And then I'll just set this aside to dry, and that way I can use it on another project. So I hope you enjoyed my short little video today on doing the background stenciling using the stickles. And thank you for stopping by, and enjoy your day.